Hei alle sammen. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Norwegian language test. Norskprøven, 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 and the upcoming test and registration dates for 2023. Competence Norway, Kompetanse Norge, Kompetanse Norge administers the Norwegian language test, Norskprøven, Norskprøven, nationally. The tests are carried out on a local level in municipalities throughout Norway. In Norwegian municipalities is kommune, kommune, kommune. When registering for the Norwegian language test, you select levels as A1, A2, D1, and B2. There is also a test in Norwegian C1 at the higher academic level. You can register for the test 4 times a year: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. There are 4 parts in the test that you can test: 1 reading, 2 listening, 3 oral speaking, and 4 writing. These different areas you can register for simultaneously or for one or more of them individually. When you register, you choose your level. You may only take the same test section once during the same testing period. If you take the same test part 2 or more times in the same period, only the first attempt will be valid. If you want to take the test in a municipality, kommune, other than your own, you must check with the test center to see if you are allowed to do that. This is also true if you live outside of Norway. The Norwegian language test is not hosted in other countries. On January 23rd, at 9 a.m. in the morning, registration for the Norwegian language test, spring 2023, will open. Here are the registration dates for 2023. So spring 2023 registration period is 23rd to 27th January, and test period is 13th to 17th March. In the summer period 2023, the registration period is 17th to 21st April, and test period is 22nd May to 2nd June. For autumn 2023, the registration period is 21st to 25th August, and the test period is 25th to 29th of September. And for winter 2023, the registration period is 30th of October to 3rd of October, with the test period coming at 4th to 8th of December. We will now go through why the Norwegian language test, Norskprøven, and its certificate is important. Your test center will send you your Norwegian language test, Norskprøven certificate 5 to 6 weeks after you take the exam. You will receive the result statement together with the certificate. Why is the certificate and the test important? Firstly, the Norwegian language test is a tool to help you improve your Norwegian level rapidly. When applying for jobs and studying in Norway, you will be able to provide proof of competence. If you have passed the Norwegian test at level A2 on all parts of the Norwegian language test, you can use this to apply for a permanent residence permit in Norway. The test parts include a reading test, listening test, writing test, and oral speaking test. The Norwegian language test is required for higher education in Norway. So the Norwegian language test at level B2 is the minimum prerequisite for admission to a study program taught in Norwegian. And also preparing for the test will help you to communicate better with Norwegians in the Norwegian society, and you will get inspiration to improve your Norwegian language abilities. We provide preparation courses for the Norwegian language test, Norskprøven, covering all Norwegian levels A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1. Our courses are ideal for students who need to pass the Norwegian language proficiency test in order to work, study, or immigrate to Norway. We provide flexible classes in classrooms or online that are tailored to the needs of the individual learner. So you can study and prepare for the Norwegian language test at the appropriate level in a group class or at your own pace in private one-on-one lessons. The systematic approach of our preparation courses will help you develop all the necessary skills to pass the Norwegian language test. Whether you choose classes, group classes, or private one-on-one lessons, we will help you prepare. We provide clear Norwegian grammar explanations and in-depth interactive exercises suitable for the Norwegian language test preparation. You go through various practical exercises, including relevant writing exercises, and we will provide tips for preparing for and taking the Norwegian language test during the classes. In our preparation courses, you develop your language skills in all the crucial parts of the language test. 1. Reading, leseprøve, 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 that's the reading test. Then we have the listening test. Lytteprøve, lytteprøve, lytteprøve. Then we have the oral test. Muntlig prøve, muntlig prøve, muntlig prøve. And the writing test. Skriftlig prøve, skriftlig prøve, skriftlig prøve. We will give you feedback on your performance, writing, speaking, and help you build vocabulary within relevant topics. Our Norwegian courses accompany the best and most suitable Norwegian language learning resources for learning Norwegian. Following a first Norwegian level assessment on your level, we can tailor each lesson to your specific needs. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,